Luca, and I would like to give you some tips on how you can help your children feel safe and secure during these uncertain times. What can you do when your child feels insecure, when he feels stressed, and he's still learning how to cope with different emotions? One exercise that we use in the nursery is the tapping exercise. Tapping is a tool that teaches children that your body can send positive signals to the brain. What you need to do is to explain to your child that inside our body we have some magic buttons, and if we tap those buttons, it will help us feel better. The first tapping point is between the eyebrows. You use 2 fingers and you tap in between your eyebrows. The second button is on the side of your eyes. The third tapping point is on the cheekbones, just like that. And then we move on under the nose. The next tapping point is on your chin. And then on your collarbone. And the last one is under your arm. While we are doing this tapping exercise in the nursery, the children are using this song called Every Little Cell. The tapping along with this song goes like this. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. At the end, as you notice, we encourage the children to give themselves a big, big hug and to close their eyes and imagine how all the love and happiness spreads throughout their body. Choose the tapping solution that works best for your child. You can also tap along using different affirmations according to how your child may feel. If your child is feeling shy or he may not feel confident in trying something new, you can tap along using the statement, I am brave, I am enough. Or if your child is feeling cross or disappointed, you can tap along by saying, I am full of love. I am a good friend to myself. I can do anything I want. Until we see each other next time, I invite you to be well and mindful.